Okay, this is the video that we are going to explore the aliases. And here we explored the first aliases, the RMA, to remember my aliases. We explored the C to go to the codes directory. It's important that I basically what I'm doing here in the C. Um, we can see that is basically cd local-env. This is the folder of environment repository, and we go cd dot dot to back a folder. So this is basically the logic, and if you want, you can change right here. Uh, let's see another. Remember my bashes. It will list all the scripts in the environment repository. In the environment repository, we have the folder scripts, and inside the scripts folder, we have all these guys. So basically, the remember my bashes list all these scripts. And okay, we have the X. It's to close the terminal. We have off to turn off the computer. Obviously, I am not using this right now because it will interrupt the video, but we can use uh, in two ways, like off, and it will turn off immediately, or we can pass a time in minutes. So if we do that, it will turn off the computer in 10 minutes. We use Control C to cancel the process if you want, we want. Sleep works in the same way, but doesn't turn off the computer, just suspend or sleep the computer. Reboot, we don't have time for reboot. It's a simple alias. Edit alias is basically it will edit this guy. Mm, it will do like nano aliases. So it's just a easy way, because if I am not in the environment repository, I can do like this, just with EA. We have EB. It's to edit the bash RC. We can use, oh, this guy, it's a bit complex, but it basically automate a task that I always do during code. That is basically I go in my repository with my changes, and I go git status, git add git commit message, and git push. And this is just so repetitive, so I just use GU with my message and encapsulate all these repetitive commands in a alias, and we can see this alias right here. No, I think it's GitHub update. GitHub update. So basically, I get the message. I put git add to add all the files changed. Git commit with the message. Git push, and that's it. Also, it's cool because I can do without the double quotes. So I just go my changes in the file X. So it's quicker, faster. Okay, let's move on. Clear. It's just clear. GCM, all these guys are right here. It's basically copy paste of commands of OIC shell. So it go to the main or the master branch, go to the develop branch, push the commits, delete the branch forcefully, create a new branch, git checkout, git add -a to add all changed files, GL to git pull, GST to git status. This is kind of different. Usually on my Z shell it's GS up, but I prefer use GPU. So basically I'm pushing my branch and setting upstream branch in the remote repository. To go to the home, this guy right here. Basically the tilde, I think that's it. This character in Linux represents this path dash home dash Lucas, and dot dot to back a folder, bkb or backup. Basically, it's kind of complex, so I will show you guys. It's backup this guy. So basically, uh, I get the current branch, but I all files stash apply. I create the datetime. I create a branch, backup dash datetime. I check out for this branch, creating this branch. I'll add all files, commit, push, check out to my old branch, and stash apply. Basically, that's it. I just put all my things in a backup branch and push this backup branch to the repository. It's because sometimes I don't want to commit in my branch because it's just a backup files, you know. I don't want to lose these files that I am changing, but it's not ready for commit yet. So I just create a backup branch and commit in this backup branch that I will delete after, you know, just to avoid losing files and losing work in situations of laptop getting fired or something like that. Okay. Uh, GSS to git stash, GSA to git stash apply, GSL to git stash list, GB to git branch. I basically use this guy to list the branches. So basically one branch, but you can create a new branch and don't check out to that branch. If I want to create a branch and check out for this branch, I use GCB. So this like this, and I go to the branch again, you know. But I can create like, and I created the test2 branch, and I didn't check out for that branch. And this guys is kind of complex, but basically I uh, give a git pull in all repositories inside this folder. And this guy, I verify changes to commit in all repositories inside this folder. So basically I do that. And in the other case, I do this. It's basically to automate when I have a lot of repositories and I don't want to go inside each repository doing that, you know. And again, we can see these scripts right here. That's how it works. And that's how update repository works as well. And that's it. I explored all the aliases until today. Maybe in the future we have much more, but until today, this is the aliases available.